Hello all, my name is Sandeep Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this particular video I am going to show you how to install Anaconda on Mac OS. So first of all, we'll go to Google Chrome and type it here, download Anaconda on Mac. So we'll open the first link from here, and here we can see the beautiful documentation by Anaconda. There are two ways to install Anaconda on Mac. The first way is through graphical installer and the second way is through command line installer. So there is some issues which we can face when you install through graphical installer. So to avoid that, what we are going to do, we'll install Anaconda through command line installer only. So now next what we are going to do, we'll first download the command line installer. Go to this link. So here we can see that there is only graphical installer showing. So what we can do is we can go to this Apple icon, and here we can see that we have all the options, graphical line installer also. So as I'm going to install 64-bit M1 command line installer, as I'm using Mac Air M1 chip. So it is going to download here. So my download has been completed here. I can see that in the download section here. Okay, that's fine. So now our command line installer has been downloaded. So next we are going to open the terminal, and then we are going to write the same command as in the documentation, sham hyphen a 256, and next we need to give the path where we need to install the Anaconda. So we are going to open the Finder and we are going to the download section, and we are going to this location. So what we are going to do, we just need to copy the path name from here, you can see. And if you are not going to see this path, then what you need to do, you need to go to the view section and just, yeah, tick this one. For me it is now hide path bar. For you, if it is not showing, it will be show path bar. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to just paste it here. Now we will paste here the path. Okay, so it's pasted here, and now we'll click enter. So now you can see this is a directory. Okay, right. So what we are going to do, so now you can see that our path has been set. We will go to the next step and write bash downloads, and then we'll paste here the file name. Okay, and then we'll enter. Terminal would like to access files in your download folder. Okay, so now we'll press enter again. So we need to read the, okay, license terms and condition. Okay, we'll read this. We'll just hit enter, and now finally we need to accept the license terms. So we'll write it here, yes. Anaconda will now be installed into the location. So okay, we just need to press enter to confirm the location where we have already specified. So now it is going to install the Anaconda in the location where we have already specified. So it will take some time as it is not showing anything, but it is installing Anaconda. Okay, we'll wait here. You need to have patience, guys, as it will take some time to install. So next, do you wish the installer to initialize Anaconda 3 by running conda init? Yes, we'll write it here, yes, and enter. So now our Anaconda has installed. We can verify this by going to the Finder application, and then we can go to this path, and we can see Anaconda is there. And now what we can do, We'll open the Anaconda Navigator. Now I will launch Jupyter Notebook. You can see my Jupyter Notebook has been opened. I can create new file here, Python 3. I'll just write it here, print hello world. Now you can see that our Jupyter Notebook is working. Anaconda is already installed and everything is up and running. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.